We are going to learn about coal. Coal is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock with a high amount of carbon and hydrocarbon. Coal is classified as a non-renewable energy source because it takes millions of years to form. Now let us see about the formation of coal. The formation of coal begins in areas of swampy wetlands where groundwater is near or slightly above the topsoil. Because of this, the flora present produces organic matter quickly, faster in fact that it can be decomposed. In these areas, layers of organic matter are accumulated and then buried. It is these layers of organic material that then form coal. The energy in coal initially comes from the sun and is energy from sunlight trapped by dead plants. Now let's see the process. The process that creates coal varies slightly in different areas depending on the plants and conditions that are present. But the overall process is similar. There are two main phases in coal formation, that is petrification and coalification. Bacterial activity is peak during petrification. Increasing temperature and pressure from burial are the main factors in coalification. Plant matter in mines and wetlands such as ferns, shrubs, vines, trees, and algae dies and accumulate on the surface. Initially, the organic matter is decomposed by bacteria, yielding carbon dioxide and methane. The plant matter becomes buried and are no longer exposed to air. Anaerobic bacteria then start to decompose the material. Burial and accumulation can occur for several thousands of years, producing several meters of partially decayed plant matter known as peat. When this peat is deeply buried, water and other compounds is squeezed out from the increasing pressure and the lowest quality of coal, lignite, begins to form. Continued burial resulting in increasing pressure and temperature causes this low quality lignite coal to be transformed into higher quality black coals. First, lignite becomes subbituminous coal and then bituminous coal and finally the highest quality anthracite coal. As this transformation occurs, the amount of water and other compounds in the coal decreases and the coal becomes more dense. Along with this comes a higher carbon concentration. There are four types of coal: lignite coal, subbituminous coal, bituminous coal, and anthracite coal. First, let us see about lignite coal. Lignite, often referred as brown coal, is a soft, brown, combustible sedimentary rock formed from naturally compressed peat. It has a carbon content around 25 to 35% and is considered the lowest rank of coal due to its relatively low heat content. Lignite is mined all around the world and is used almost exclusively as a fuel for steam electric power generation. The combustion of lignite produces less heat for the amount of carbon dioxide and sulfur released that other ranks of coal. As a result, environmental advocates have characterized lignite as the most harmful coal to human health. Uses of lignite coal. The popular application of lignite includes electricity generation, synthetic natural gas production, production of fertilizer, home heating, and oil well drilling. Since lignite contains high amount of volatile substance, it can easily be converted into liquid and gas forms such as petroleum products, subbituminous coal. Subbituminous coal is a lower grade of coal that contains 55% of carbon. The properties of this type are between those of lignite, the lowest grade of coal, and those of bituminous coal, the second highest grade of coal. Subbituminous coal appears as grey-black or dark brown. It ranges from hard to soft. Subbituminous coal. Subbituminous coal is used in generating steam for the production of electricity and thus frequently used in power plants. It is also liquefied and converted into petroleum and gas. The use of this coal can lead to hazardous emission, particularly of harmful smoke, soot, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and mercury. However, burning the coal at higher temperature reduces the amount of carbon monoxide that is released. Next, bituminous coal. Bituminous coal or black coal is a type of tar coal containing a tar-like substance called bitumen or asphalt. It contains 45 to 86% of carbon. It has high heating value. Uses of bituminous coal. The high carbon and low moisture content of this particular type of coal make it ideal in the production of steel and cement as well as in electricity generation and coke production. There are two subtypes of bituminous coal, thermal and metallurgical. Thermal coal also refers to as steam coal. It is slightly higher quality than metallurgical coal with a slightly higher carbon content. Specifically, thermal coal is used in power plants that produce steam for electricity generation. Steam power trains were also powered by thermal coal. Metallurgical coal is referred to as a coking coal and is used in the production of coke. Is a source of carbon for making steel. Burning this coal poses serious health risk. It produces excess of smoke and soot and its high sulfur content contributes to acid rain through the release of sulfur oxides. It also contains harmful impurities such as arsenic and mercury, and these impurities are released into the air as pollution. When coal is burned, it also releases nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Next, anthracite coal. Anthracite is the highest grade coal. It has very light weight and highest heat content. Anthracite coal is very hard, deep black and shiny. It contains 86 to 97% of carbon. Also, anthracite is usually the oldest type of coal, having formed from biomass that are buried 350 million years ago. The formation of anthracite not only takes a long time but also requires very the temperature necessary for the development of anthracite coal are only possible on the borders of mountain belts. These regions are suitable because the process of building a mountain pushes sheets of rock over the layers where coal is being formed. This results in the layers containing coal being pushed down to the depth of 8 to 10 km, where the temperature can reach 300 degrees Celsius. Uses of anthracite coal. Anthracite can be used in household application primarily as the component of charcoal briquettes. In addition, anthracite is used for space heating as it is the one of the cleanest type of coal to burn, producing less smoke than other types. Its clean burning properties allows anthracite to burn longer than wood, make it appealing to use in home heating stoves. Now let us see about other uses of coal. Coal is used to generate heat and electricity. It is used to make derivatives of silicones which are used to make lubricants, water repellents, resins, cosmetic, hair shampoo and toothpaste. Activated charcoal is used to make face packs and cosmetics. Coal is used to make paper. Coal helps to create alumina refiners. Carbon fibers, which is an extremely strong but lightweight material used in construction of mountain bikes and tennis rackets. Activated carbon used in filters for water and air purification and in kidney dialysis machine is obtained from coal. So that's it for today. Thank you.